You do a round end, so I'll just fuller it. Classic English style side blast forge in here at All Bob. You're welcome to.
Do you know where we can get any forge like that?
I do know where you can get one of these fine custom made side blast English style Tweer forge. Right here at Artisans of the Anvil. I gotta eat. I'm just going to bring this up here, sight in where I want my groove, and set my groove. I'm going to work back a little bit because I want to get close to the top of the hinge, and then I'm just going to walk her down. We just started with this, and my base is very cold right now, and I just know from doing a lot of chasing that as we warm this block up, our heats last a lot longer. So we got about 4 inches on this chase line. I have a very straight chisel in there. It helps get rid of a lot of the scalloping that you often see in cold work or in work that has a lot more radius to the chisel. Alright, I'm going to try and get the other side of this guy here. Again, in there and set my groove. Back. We'll work down the car. Once again, it's about as far as I made it. I'm going to actually go back cold a little bit here and just kind of seat up my groove. I got a couple marks in the bottom I want to clean up. You know, you're never going to get anything perfect. Now, one of the nice things that's happening is that I went ahead and did the opposite side, and what that did was it straightened my hinge back out. My hinge was getting a little crooked. And by doing the other side, I'm going to go back here and make sure I'm seated right. Alright, now here's an interesting thing. We just kind of run into a problem. My tongs are hitting my base, but that's why I have a movable base. Now, it's getting pretty cold here. Wasted my time like a bad blacksmith. I think we still got the power we need to even these guys up. There we are. Alright. A little harder to see because I'm going the other way, but let's see. see down here, I'm just going to sight the center of this pad. I'm going to do a real light dimple just to check I like where I'm at. There's one. And where shall I put the next? There you go. I'm looking at these, I'm thinking they're a little shallow. I want to go further. So set that down, back this off, back the chuck knot a little bit. There we go. Get another heat on here. Squishy, squishy. There, that's better. That's like we did something there. Just gonna sight it, make sure everything's straight. I'm going to accelerate the cooling process. Not too much, because I don't want it to harden. You're going to edit this, right? Now obviously you can wire brush it with a wire wheel and get it all pretty and everything, or you can kind of speed up the process and just, you can use your forging heat and a little bit of the polish, Boston polish here, and just wax it up. I just love that color that goes into it when you hot wax it. There you go. Let her cool down and you got a decorative hinge.